common. There's always a compatibility. You juxtapose them, you find a single common denominator, they share. Like one example is, and here's an absurd example, the famous surrealistic comedian Mitch Hedberg. You know, he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." That's a juxtaposition of incongruity. And so you find that incongruity and juxtaposition far more pervasive and prevalent in the field of comedy. And Mitch Hedberg said he threw a toothpick in the forest and said, "You home." The polarity here, not polarity, the contrast is toothpick and forest. You know, they're unrelated. But then you realize they're wood. So you found a commonality they share in common. Toothpick is wood, forest is wood. So they're home. You see? So this is how Mitch Hedberg, juxtaposition of incongruity, and how it's so realistic arises. How cohesive and how philosophically advanced comedic wise Mitch Hedberg was. So in every field you see this exemplified. Every field you see this juxtaposition of incongruity metaphorically exemplified. You see that prevalent in tech companies on the Nasdaq stock market. You know, when Google purchased YouTube. Why would Google purchase YouTube? What is the relationship between Google and YouTube? Google is a search engine and YouTube is a video sharing network. What is the disparity? What is the commonality? Why